BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft have once again updated their known issues over on Microsoft Docs recently for the Windows 11 version 22H2 operating system, and that was on the 29th of September. Now, once again, it seems that the printer and printing woes have continued into this latest feature update, and the issue is affecting some printers on Windows 11 version 22H2, which is only allowing some of those printers to use their default settings. So because of this, Microsoft has said that they have now applied a safeguard hold, which is basically an upgrade block, an update block, on updates to Windows 11 version 22H2 for devices that could be affected by this printer and printing issue. Now, they note that the issue is affecting devices with printers that use the Microsoft IPP Class Driver or Universal Print Class Driver for communication with the printer, and this upgrade block prevents the installation, obviously, of the Windows 11 version 22H2 feature update on those affected devices. Now, the issue is basically this, is that the connectivity issue is preventing Windows from identifying all features of the printer. So as mentioned, it's only allowing the default settings of the printers and the printer to be used, which means that other printer-specific features like your color, two-sided and or duplex printing, paper size or type settings, or resolutions higher than 300 by 300 dpi can't be used even if supported by the printer. Now, if we just head over to Microsoft Docs to their known issues page, and this will just give us a little bit more information, and they say that the workaround is another workaround you can try until they basically roll out a fix, is to mitigate the safeguard on your Windows device to upgrade to Windows 11 version 22H2. You can remove any printers using the Microsoft IPP Class Driver or Universal Print Class Driver, which you have installed. And then once you have removed any affected installed printers, then you should be able to upgrade to Windows 11 version 22H2. And like most of these safeguard holds and compatibility holds, they say this could take up to 48 hours before you see the feature update. And obviously, as I do mention, restarting your device can also help offer the update sooner. And if you have an installed printer which only allows default settings, you can also basically resolve this issue by removing and reinstalling the printer, which is another workaround which Microsoft does note here. And then their next steps, obviously, they say they are working on a resolution and will provide an update in an upcoming release, which we hope is sooner than later. And then they just note, as a side note, they recommend that you do not attempt to manually upgrade using the Update Now button or the media creation tool until this issue has been resolved and this safeguard is removed. And obviously, if anything does change, I will keep you posted and let you know and update you accordingly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.